How to reset password on Twitch account. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can reset your password on Twitch account if you have forgotten it. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type the official website of the Twitch, twitch.tv, and press enter to search it. You will enter to this interface. Here at the right side you will see two options. Click on that login. A dialog box will appear where you'll have to enter your username and password. Since we don't know the password, you just enter your username. After entering your username, below the password you will see trouble logging in option. Click on it. You will be redirected to this page where you'll have to either enter your email address or your mobile number. After entering your mobile number or the email, click on this continue button to proceed. Here once again you will have to enter your username. Enter your username here. Then click on this send my password reset link option. Click on done and a link to reset your password will be sent to your email address. Once you get the email, click on the email and you will reach to this page. Here you will see reset your password option. Click on it and now you can enter your new password here. Make sure you enter the strong and unique password this time. After entering your password, now set it by clicking on this set password option. Wait for a while and there you go. You have successfully resetted your password in your Twitch account. Now click on the login button at the top and log in with your new password. So in this way you can reset password on your Twitch account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.